having this landscape and being able to come home from work and finish working, having our own oasis in our backyard, being able to relax, enjoy it, spend time with the kids more, watch them, laugh and enjoy the pool is 100 words, more than 100 words of feelings for us. It's excitement and enjoyable that we, can enjoy this now.
I really wanted my personal connection to nature to be reflected in this living space. I wanted to feel like I belonged outside.
We definitely went over, what our expectations were and what we wanted to do, but he took that and really used it to its fullest, and it was never a question of, can you afford it, can you not afford it? He really just maximized it, and again, and I feel like I say this a lot, just went above and beyond and really used what we could do to its fullest.
When we started this, we described to Rich what we were looking for, and I'm overly surprised that it's beyond what I expected. It really came out very nice. It was way beyond expectations.
And I still get compliments, like my neighbors are like, they didn't even make a mess of your yard with their equipment and bringing in the dirt and stuff. They just were very precise in what they did, and some of the days were extremely hot and they worked straight through it. They're so hardworking.
Our expectations were exceeded.